Hello everyone, in this video I guide you how to install Windows Virtual Machine on Ubuntu server. The first task will be to install Cockpit on a Linux server. I will demonstrate how to do so on Ubuntu systems. To get started, update your system package lists. Afterward, install the Cockpit console by invoking the command. Along with the Cockpit, you need to install the Cockpit Machines package to help you manage virtual machines. Once successfully installed, start Cockpit using the command. By default, Cockpit listens on TCP port 9090. To access the Cockpit interface, open your browser, then enter IP address and 9090 port. At the login page, provide your user credentials and click the login button. To start creating and managing a Windows virtual machine, locate and click the Virtual Machines option as shown. You need to copy the Windows operating system installer to the server. On the Virtual Machines page, click on the Create New VM button. Be sure to fill out all the details required as shown. This is basically how to install a Windows operating system on an Ubuntu server. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.